We use science to bring books and stories to life. We love doing this with Greek mythology and the Percy Jackson series. The project we're going to do is based on the story of Prometheus. We really like using this book because it uses stories that are appropriate for kids of all ages. The story of Prometheus shares how he brought fire to humans. The demonstration that we're about to show you, do not do this at home. We're adding videos every week that you can do at home or even in your own classroom. Make sure to like the video, share, and subscribe to our channel.